So your water heater is leaking. The first thing you want to do is you want to shut down the water heater. If you have a gas water heater like we have here, you want to locate the gas supply valve and turn it off. If that valve is not readily accessible or blocked, they can also go to the temperature gas valve and turn that to either pilot or off. If you have an electric water heater, you want to go to the main electrical panel and turn off the breakers marked for water heater. If the breakers are not marked, water heater breakers are typically 30 amps. Then at that point, you want to turn off the water to the water heater. There should be a water supply valve on the top of the water heater. Typically it's on the right hand side if you're facing the water heater. If that valve is not there, then you need to locate the water shutoff for the house and turn it off at that valve. If you're having a problem with your water heater, call Water Heaters Only. Live experts are available on the phone 24/7.